Then from view content, it's very easy. You just click on this button, boom, it selects everything at once. Then automatically click download. All the files is going to download. Okay. Click on this button, boom. Put your password. Password change sometimes, but go to password, boom. Click on this button to download the entire library, or click on this button and click here to download the entire library you have here, or select whatever you like or you want at the first place. Click download. It's easy. It's easy. Or you press Ctrl A, download. It's easy. Or Command A, it's easy. So that is it. And if you want to listen to some songs for now, I want to enjoy some songs, and as I'm downloading, click here, click on the music.
Yeah.
I can put it on.
Let the church say amen. You ready? It's gonna be the year that I break every side.
So that's it. So far, so good. Thank you for watching. More questions, like I said, go on our official website.